Ariane 5 launch became one of the biggest information technology failure. In June 4, 1996, total failure of the Ariane 5 launcher on its maiden flight. What is Ariane 5? It is a European rocket designed to launch commercial payloads into Earth orbit. It is the successor to the successful Ariane 4 launcher. Why is this considered as an information technology failure? The fault was quickly identified as a software bug in the rocket's inertial reference system. The rocket used this system to determine whether it was pointing up or down, which is formally known as the horizontal bias or informally as a BH value. However, problems began to occur when the software attempted to stuff the 64-bit variable, which can represent billions of potential values, into a 16-bit integer, which can only represent 65,535 potential values. For the first few seconds of flight, the rocket acceleration was low, so the conversion between these two values was successful. However, as the rocket's velocity increased, the 64-bit variable exceeded 65,000 and became too large to fit in a 16-bit variable. It was at this point that the processor encountered an operand error and populated the BH value with the diagnostic value. Approximately 7 seconds after a successful lift-off, the Ariane 5 launcher lost control. Incorrect control signals were sent to the engines, and these swiveled so that unsustainable stresses were imposed on the rocket. It started to break up and was destroyed by ground controllers. The system failure was a direct result of a software failure. So what to learn after the incident? The design and code of all software should be reviewed for problems during development problems. The review failed to appreciate the consequences of system shutdown during a launch. This Ariane 5 was designed by a single component failure that could cause the entire system to fail. As a general rule, critical systems should always be designed to avoid a single point of failure.